Welcome to this course, and in this course I'm gonna teach you how to make money with CPA by using Facebook ads. Now for those of you who don't know what CPA is, CPA stands for cost per action. It's where a company or an advertiser will pay you for directing traffic to their site and for getting a customer or prospect to enter information such as their zip code or their name or any other type of information that they're asking for, or even to fill out a survey, for example. Okay, and the payout can be pretty good. I mean, some networks pay $3 per action. Okay, so you don't even have to sell anything or get the customer to buy anything from that company. So, for example, let's talk about car insurance. Enter your postal code or zip code um, into this information. So if this was a CPA offer and you drove traffic to this page and the customer were to enter their postal code or zip code, you will get paid for that action. So CPA is cost per action. Okay, so in this course, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you what CPA networks you can apply to, and I'm also going to go over what type of CPA offers do well on Facebook. I'm also going to show you how to do your market research so you know who you're marketing to for whichever CPA offer you're promoting. And so when you create the ad on Facebook, you'll know what keywords to select and how to go about with your marketing campaign. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ad to promote your CPA offers. Okay, in this video, I'm just going to quickly go through some CPA networks that you can apply to. Just keep in mind that it may take a few days for you to get approved for some of these networks. Okay, so the first network here is called Market Health. So this is if you want to promote some health related CPA offers. Okay, the next one is Max Bounty, maxbounty.com. This is probably one of the most popular CPA networks out there. The next one is Cash Network. Okay, another one is getoffersdirect.com. Another one is cpaprosperity.com. And another one is converttomedia.com. And there's pointclicktrack.com. And another one is clickrover.com. Alright, so in this video I just want to quickly go through what types of CPA offers do well on Facebook. Okay, there's about 4 types of CPA offers that do well on Facebook. The first one is life insurance. Okay, CPA offers related to life insurance do well on Facebook. Another type is car insurance. Okay, CPA offers related to car insurance. Another one is zip submits, where you would enter zip codes. Okay, and lastly, the fourth type of CPA offer that would do well on Facebook is anything related to education. Okay, now some of you might be thinking that, what about weight loss related CPA offers? Well, they are profitable, but just remember that there's lots of competition out there for the weight loss niche in terms of CPA offers. So when you're first starting out marketing CPA offers on Facebook, you may want to avoid weight loss related CPA offers. Okay, I mean, they may do well using other marketing methods outside of Facebook, but for now, it's something you may want to avoid until you get a little bit of experience marketing CPA offers on Facebook. Now, before you go and market your CPA offers on Facebook, you need to know a little bit about who you're marketing to. So this is where you have to do a little bit of market research. So for this example, let's say you want to promote a car insurance CPA offer. Okay, now here's a site I found just searching on Google. Now I don't know if they have any CPA offers or not, but let's just say, just for this example, that we want to promote CPA offer from insurancehotline.com. Okay, so what we do, there's a couple of sites that you could go to learn more about the demographics and who we're marketing to. Okay, so what I would do is that I would just copy this URL and I would go to similarweb.com, and here you would just paste that URL here and click on search. And so this is where you could find some great information and get ideas for keywords you want to use for your Facebook ad campaigns. Okay, so let's just go down here. There's lots of information here. You get their traffic sources, you get an idea of how many visits are getting to their site, the geography. Now, for this website, you could see that the majority of the people that are coming to the site are from Canada, because this site is probably targeted towards Canadians. Okay, and you could just keep scrolling down here, and you could see what the organic keywords are and paid keywords are. Okay, so you can get some ideas of what keywords you want to use here for your Facebook ad campaigns. In social, it's not getting much social traffic, it's less than 1%, but it shows you that of the social traffic of Facebook is where they're coming from the most, 62%. So this shows that Facebook is a great platform to use to market this particular CPA offer, if it had a CPA offer. Okay, so there's lots of information on this site. Another site you would want to do some research on is alexa.com. Okay, I've already pasted the URL on here, and when you do that, you get some good information on here. For this particular offer, it's not showing you, if it's male or female or the college education, but sometimes it'll show you, okay, that this particular market, they have, majority of them have college education. So if you're marketing on Facebook, then you would target people that have college education. But unfortunately for this particular site, this insurance offer, they don't really have enough demographics on here for you to get information from. Okay, and again, you can see that majority of the people come from Canada. And you could also see the top keywords that were used to go to this site. Alright, so now this is where we go and create our Facebook ad. Okay, so what I've gone is go to the ad creator here. You could just go on Google to find this page. Just type in Facebook ads or Facebook ads PPC, and as long as you're already have an account with Facebook, you should be able to use the service from Facebook. So basically, there's different types of ads that you can post. The one for these for these CPA offers, you're going to want to choose a clicks to website, because you're going to want people to land on your CPA offers when they click on your ad. There's other options here like page post engagement, where if they click on your ad, you'll be directed to post on your fan page. But for now, let's just do this one here, clicks to website, and this is where you would enter the URL of your landing page. Now, some CPA offers provide the landing page for you that you could use to promote, and some may not. And also, you may, even if CPA offers or CPA networks do provide the landing page for you, you may also want to create your own landing page to be more unique. So if you want to create your own landing page, you could just, there are some free video tutorials out there on YouTube on how to create your own landing page for CPA offers. Okay. The downside of creating your own landing page is that the customer will have to click twice to get to the main CPA offer. The benefit of that is, well, if you have the people that would click twice, those are people that are more targeted and people that are willing to enter their information on your CPA offers. Okay. Now for this example, let's just go with that car insurance. So let's see where that was here. Let's just copy and paste this onto here. And let's click on continue. Okay, now here is where you would choose the image that you would want to be placed on your ad. Okay, you could upload your own images. You could also just use images that are provided by Facebook here. So you just go to find images, and you could choose 6 images. There's already one chosen for me here. So what you would do here is choose 6 images. So you would have 6 different ads, and then you test them out, because when you log into your account, you could see which ads are doing well. So the ads that are not doing well, you could just delete those. Okay, but for now, let's look for some images here related to car insurance. Okay, computer's a little slow right now. I don't know why it kicked me out of there. Okay, let's just go back here, find images. For this example, just so this video doesn't get too long, I'm just going to choose 2 images here, another 2 images, so it'll be a total of 3. And we'll choose this one here that's already been selected for us. Let's just choose this one here, and this one here. So we have a total of 3, but like I said, recommend you selecting 6 images. But for this example, let's just select a total of 3. So click on done. Okay, text and links. Choose a Facebook page that your ad will show up on. So this is where, hopefully by now you have a Facebook page created, but you should create a Facebook page. It's very simple. You could create a Facebook page that's targeted, or that's related to the CPA offer that you're marketing. You don't really have to put anything on there, just post an image on there and that's it. But basically, the point of this offer, like it says here, is that your ad will link to your site, so to that CPA offer, but it'll show as coming from your Facebook page. Okay, so for this example, I have a few Facebook pages. Let's just select this one here. Now the headline, it has to be appealing. So for this example, let's just say get cheap car insurance. Okay, and on the right side you could see the different, or how your ad will appear. As you can see, I have 3 ads here because I chose 3 images. Okay, and the text, I will just say click here to learn more, or click here to get your cheap. I don't know why my computer is slow right now, because I think I have a lot of windows open. Okay, after you type in the text, you could choose the call to action button here. So you just click on this, and I'm going to choose sign up. So as you can see on the right here, this is how the ads will look like. You can see the sign up button that I selected here, the CPA URL. Okay, and this is the headline here, and you can see the other ads that I've created here. Okay, let's go down, and now for how your ad or where your ad will show up on Facebook, I will recommend that you remove the right column placements and the mobile placements, because you just don't get too many clicks on mobile and the right column. Okay, you get majority of your clicks through the news feed. That's what you want to focus on, so that your click-through rate will be cheaper. Okay, now your audience. So this is where your market research comes into play. Actually, we're not going to go through custom audiences right now, but for locations, you choose the country. If you noticed earlier, that website was targeted towards Canadians, so you would choose Canada here. If it was US, you would choose United States. The age group, if that information was available in demographics, you would choose the age group here. Okay, just for this example, let's do this: 24 to 50. Language, you just leave alone for now. Interests, I don't have much information on that, but if you did, you would put that here. Okay, and on the right side, you can see there's a potential reach of about close to 8 million people. And your budget per day, for now, let's just, for any campaign that you're just starting off, you want to select a low budget of, say, $10 per day. Okay, and then you could always scale up if it's a profitable campaign. And lastly, for the bidding and pricing, I would choose optimize for clicks here. Make sure this is selected automatically. Optimize your bid to get more clicks, so that's basically you'll get charged less for your clicks, and it would automatically optimize the bidding for you. Okay, and when you're done, when you're happy with what you've selected here, you will just press this button, place order.